beat, that's beat, that's beat, that's beat. I really like your tiger feet.
Getting hot.
Yeah, it's going to be quite a warm one today. Just like that, isn't it? It's just flushing that down. Need to watch these lines.
Yeah.
44, shut the door. 44.
Shut the door.
Give me a hand then, quick.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I won't ask.
If I just hook mine in, you can pull yours a bit tight, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, you can put it a bit tighter now. Just get it quite. There we go. Where's my stuff? I'll probably do that, mate, because I'm only putting it in.
That wind blew it straight in my mouth.
I'm quite proud of you.
Why is that?
You really taken care.
Well, you know me. I normally don't take care.
No. You normally just like, home time.
Home time.
Somehow try to. That's it. You saw that one, didn't you? Some sweat.
Oh, I keep on getting attacked by bugs.
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 Thunder bugs.
Them are them little black things, aren't they?
Yeah, they're the thunder bugs, aren't they?
Yeah, they were on that last job. They were a pain.
A pain.
Yeah.
A pain in the bug.
Well.
Mate, he's done it. Shut the door.
Number 4.
44. Ah! A bit of a foamy one, hasn't he? But I don't think. Hey!
Hi, guys. It had something a little bit, you know. That was in your mouth, right?
Yeah. Right, we're blessed with the stone today. That's actually a right angle. That's a right angle of wire. It's an absolute beast.
Actually weirdly feels nice.
I've got the itch.
Feels like a weird head massage.
He's gone and blown it. Mate, look at these shells in it. They're like proper glistening. Yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
Oh wow.
It's cool, isn't it?
That's cool, yeah.
It's a proper seabed. Oh, he's nice though. That's the best I'm going to get here, isn't it? It just needs to go in there. Right there. You can snap the back off.
Wait, you can't force it.
I can't force it. I can.
Don't want to go in.
It's got a line there already, ready for me. Look, that was meant to be. There is a bit of a line there, like, but
No, then you know that one where it was really hot and we were underneath that tree, those other blokes were.
oh, yeah.
That one. That was literally just us fossil hunting. Got another job for them up there again.
Oh, mate, I just found a better stone. Gonna have to change it. Gonna have to change it. Look at that beauty. Yeah, mate. Sorry, but not sorry. Oh mate, he's a better one, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, tie down a relationship. Oh yeah. You don't need more bonuses like I do. Off. Oh dear. You gotta take a look at this. You've literally been back 24 hours? 24 hours, Cam. And look what's happened. You can use your fingers to wash that bit there as well. We'll fill in because we can use all that in there. Yeah, be really careful with your hands. And we flam. All over Cam's down. Give me some more. Couple more days, keep it juicy. Also, I can make a canopy, but obviously here, yeah, I can make a canopy, but it's a bit of effort, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's making one as big as this. I need, you know. I've been picking up the old stones quite nice. That was lovely. I've been picking up some good stones. Me eye. Not the eye you're thinking about. Not fit. Oh. You've done too much. Ah, it's an awkward size, that, man. No! We don't give up, do we, Cam? No! Spray my stone. Alright. I remember when I was 12.